A share value equivalent to $4.7000 a coin. The present reach, $4.6870, $4.9790. The earlier day close, $4.8000. The change was 0.1000, 2.08%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. A share cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset, cost at $4.67. Most extreme cost $5.93. Least cost $4.09. The normal for the month $4.94. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $5.06. Change for September 8.4%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place, cost at $5.06. Greatest cost $5.70. Least cost $4.28. The normal for the month $5.09. A share cost figure toward the month's end $5.33. Change for October 5.3%. A share cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset, cost at $5.33. Most extreme cost $5.33. Least cost $4.17. The normal for the month $4.83. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.48. Change for November 15.9%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $4.48. Most extreme cost $4.84. Least cost $4.20. The normal for the month $4.51. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.52. Change for December 0.9%. A share cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $4.52. Greatest cost $4.52. Least cost $3.65. The normal for the month $4.15. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.92. Change for January 13.3%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.92. Greatest cost $3.92. Least cost $3.16. The normal for the month $3.60. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.40. Change for February 13.3%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2024. To start with, cost at $3.40. Greatest cost $3.42. Least cost $2.98. The normal for the month $3.25. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.20. Change for spring 5.9%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $3.20. Most extreme cost $3.20. Least cost $2.61. The normal for the month $2.96. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.81. Change for April 12.2%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $2.81. Greatest cost $2.81. Least cost $2.29. The normal for the month $2.59. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.46. Change for May 12.5%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $2.46. Most extreme cost $3.05. Least cost $2.46. The normal for the month $2.71. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.85. Change for June 15.9%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at $2.85. Greatest cost $2.85. Least cost $2.29. The normal for the month $2.61. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.46. Change for July 13.7%. Axis to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2.46. Greatest cost $2.46. Least cost $1.93. The normal for the month $2.23. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.07. Change for August 15.9%. A share cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $2.07. Most extreme cost $2.07. Least cost $1.62. The normal for the month $1.88. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $1.74. Change for September 15.9%. A share cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $3.70. Greatest cost $3.70. Least cost $2.89. The normal for the month $3.35. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.11. Change for November 15.9%. Access to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. Initially cost at $3.11. Most extreme cost $3.11. Least cost $2.64. The normal for the month $2.93. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.84. Change for December 8.7%. A share cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at $2.84. Greatest cost $3.52. Least cost $2.84. The normal for the month $3.12. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.29. Change for January 15.8%. Access to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Before all else cost at $3.29. Most extreme cost $3.34. Least cost $2.90. The normal for the month $3.16. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.12. Change for February 5.2%. A share cost expectation for WOC 2026. Initially cost at $3.12. Greatest cost $3.12. Least cost $2.44. The normal for the month $2.83. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.62. Change for spring 16.0%. Access to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.62. Greatest cost $3.09. Least cost $2.62. The normal for the month $2.81. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.89. Change for April 10.3%. A share cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at $2.89. Greatest cost $2.89. Least cost $2.33. The normal for the month $2.65. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.50. Change for May 13.5%. Access to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. At the outset cost at $2.50. Most extreme cost $2.55. Least cost $2.21. The normal for the month $2.41. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.38. Change